Would you like to check the electronically generated oil level of your Audi, but you are not sure how to do so? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to check the digital oil level of your Audi. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Start the engine of your Audi. Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Car. Go to Settings and Service. Click on Oil Level. You will now see the electronically generated oil level of your Audi. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.